The relentless Yucatecan sun beat down on Mérida, a city increasingly suffocating under a blanket of concrete and asphalt. The diagnosis, a stark reality presented by EURK, painted a picture of urban islands, dwindling pockets of verdant relief amidst the rising heat. These islands, once common, held the key to the city's comfort, offering shade, cooler temperatures, and a vital connection to nature. Zapote House emerged as a response, a defiant whisper against the encroaching urban heat, a testament to the power of integrating nature, not conquering it. The architects understood the desperate need for cities within houses, not houses within cities, a return to a harmonious coexistence with the natural environment. The heart of Zapote House lay in its namesake, the majestic Zapote trees, alongside a venerable mango, all standing as sentinels of time, their towering forms reaching skyward. These weren't mere obstacles to be navigated, they were the project's very essence. With lifespans stretching over half a century, these trees, providers of shade and sustenance, dictated the rhythm of the design. The architects didn't impose their vision, they listened to the land, allowing the trees to guide the layout, creating a space where the senses were constantly engaged. The project became a dance, a delicate weaving of architecture around the existing natural tapestry. The design philosophy focused on creating a sensorial experience, a continuous dialogue between the inhabitants and the natural world. Every glance out a window, every step through the house, was intended to be a reminder of the tree's presence. The scent of the Zapote blossoms, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy, these were the elements that defined the space. The architects aimed to capture the energy and capacities of nature, bringing them indoors, transforming the house into a living, breathing extension of the surrounding environment. The layout of Zapote House was not conceived in a vacuum, it was born from the existing circumstances, the imaginary layout dictated by the trees themselves. The architects placed themselves within this framework, allowing it to become the guiding force of their design. This respect for the existing environment extended to the choice of materials. The palette was intentionally restrained, focusing on natural elements that spoke of tranquility and harmony. Concrete blended seamlessly with wood, and natural stone floors provided a tactile connection to the earth. These materials were chosen for their silent quality, their ability to recede into the background, allowing the trees and the surrounding vegetation to take center stage. Zapote House stands as a beacon of hope in a city grappling with the consequences of unchecked urban development. It is a reminder that architecture can be a force for healing, a way to reconnect with the natural world and create spaces that nurture both the body and the soul. By embracing the existing vegetal palette, EURK transformed a house into a sanctuary, a testament to the enduring power of nature to provide comfort, beauty, and a sense of belonging in a rapidly changing world.